video how you can duplicate a folder 10 times to begin your systematic setup of your Thinkific school. So in order to do that, I'm going to first look for the folder that I want to duplicate. And by doing that, I'm going to select Get Specified Finder Item. I'm going to drag it over to the right. And great, so now I'm telling this action I want to look for my folder. After I look for my folder, I want to think, what's the next step after that? I'm going to want to duplicate this specific item using Duplicate Finder Item. So I'm going to click on Duplicate Finder Item, drag it over to my dashboard, and then my next step is to then begin the process of setting up of 10 folders for 10 modules. So by doing that, I'm going to need to click on Loop. The loop is basically repetitive. The idea is that I want to repeat the task more than once. And especially if I have 10 modules and 10 lessons, I don't want to just manually go into my folder and just easily manually right-click new folder. I can just drag Loop over here. And in Loop, it will ask me how many times I want to do this. So here is where I click on Ask to Loop Automatically, and I want to stop after it's created 10 folders. So I'm going to select 10 times, and there, I've set that up. Great. But now I have to put the folder for my critical thinking skills, and I'm going to just quickly grab my folder, which I've labeled PP2. Great. And there it goes. Now I'm just going to click on Run. And look, it took all of 1.8 seconds for this all to happen. It's a miracle, right? I know. It's really brilliant at what Automator can do. And the point of Automator is not to, replace what we as humans do, but it's to simplify our lives. Because the less time we spend setting up, we can devote to really the crucial aspect of our online school, which is our marketing and building our relationship with our email list. So I'm going to quickly look for this to see that it's duplicated 10 times. I'm going to click on my Finder, go to Downloads, and I see PP2 copy has been duplicated 10 times. Awesome, right? I know. This is just the beginning of many other lessons that I will share that you can use with Automator. Now, I know Automator is specific to Mac, but I can show you the similar thing that can be done in Windows using the program called Actions. The idea behind all these programs is scripts. Scripts that run automatically and much faster.